Good day, teacher. I'm going to bake brownies for my performance task. And here are the ingredients. 1 pack of brownie mix, 500 grams. 1 melted stick of butter, 100 grams. 3 whole eggs. And also 3 tablespoons of water. And for the frosting, I'm going to use 1 pack of Hershey's chocolate chips, 275 grams. And for the procedure, you need to mix the egg thoroughly. Then after that, pour the brownie mix into the big bowl. Pour the beaten egg into the bowl together with the brownie mix. Then mix them thoroughly. And after that, mix all together the remaining ingredients, the melted butter and water. Into the bowl, together with the brownie mix and eggs. Then after mixing thoroughly all the ingredients, pour it into the greased foil container. Now it's time to bake our brownies for 45 minutes in low heat. And for our frosting, we will be pouring our Hershey's chocolate chips to the top. Hey guys, what's up? So, since our brownies are finally done, we will need to stick a toothpick deep inside there, and then if it comes out clean, the thing is done. Well, not really done, but we just need to put the frosting in. This is our finished product. And thank you for watching Baking with Shanoa.